Okay, so I'm going to start with my Light Illusion foundation. I'm going to dab it around my face with my drugstore sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my Real Techniques by Sam and Nick blush brush, and I'm going to be brushing it all over my face so the foundation mixes and blends better. Now I'm going to be using my Maybelline New York concealer, and I'm going to be applying it under my eyes. And I'm applying it on my forehead, bridge of my nose, my chin. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my LA Colors contour stick, and I'm going to be contouring it on my nose, my forehead, and on the side of my cheek. Then I'm going to be using my sponge to dab it around my face and blend it all together. Now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Dip, and I'm applying that on my eyebrows. Now I'm going to be using my Maybelline New York concealer in the shade Light. And I cleaned up my eyebrows off camera, and I'm using some drugstore brushes. Okay, so I'm applying it on my eyelids also, so when I put the eyeshadow, it stays on longer. Okay, so I'm using my Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And I'm going to be using the color Love Letter as the base color. I'm using the color Roger and Cypress Umber, and I'm going to be using those colors as a cut crease. Something what it should be looking like. Okay, so I applied the Master Fix powder underneath my eyelids, and I put tape on it. It's up to you. I like to use it because it makes it more sharp to me. And I'm also putting my Maybelline New York concealer underneath of it in case any powder got on it. Now I'm going to be using my NYX eye pencil in the color white, and I'm applying it on my water. Now I'm going to be using my Too Faced Lifestyle Festival palette. I'm using the color Desert Vibes. I'm applying it on my waterline. I'm back with my Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette. I'm going to be using the color Primavera, and I'm going to be applying it on my inner eyelid. Okay, so I'm using my LA Colors highlighter, and I'm applying it on my brush. And I'm also applying my NYX matte finish spray. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.